Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is about that there's somebody that is not talking to you. They are angry with you, and they are not meeting you. What did they feel by breaking this relationship or by breaking this friendship? This person is anyone, your friend, your relatives, your co-worker, your family member, anyone. Maybe it's also your um, uh, life partner, wife or husband, mother, father, son, daughter, anyone. And you have to close your eyes and saw their remind their face in your mind, and speak their name, and call their name, and then pay attention to these piles. Whichever you are attracted most, choose that pile. Okay, I'm going towards the pile number 1 with this blue color matha bindya. Okay, those who choose the pile number 1 with this matha bindya reading, your first card is Seven of Earth, and that means that okay, I think that you have do you are doing something over here. You had done something to take that person back in your life, get that person back in your life, and uh, now you are waiting for that when they are coming, when they are apologizing to you, and seeds well planted, a temporary pause in action, unnecessary worry. Okay, unnecessary worry, this is unnecessary worry. They are coming towards you, they are thinking about it, they are not happy without you, they want to come back towards you. Okay, you have done something, and now they want to come back, or they had something, they had done something over here, and now you are going towards them. They are wanting you back. They need you now. Okay, this person is coming out of their bad time. They are mourning at this moment, and they are thinking that you are not good person or something, anything, and that person is now coming out of their bad time. They are now thinking that they have to come towards you. You are their soulmate or friend or anyone, and they want to come back to you. They are coming towards you, but they take their time. They will take their time. There will be a little uh, you have to wait for a little time, and they are coming towards you. And with this nine of fire, this card is telling you, don't give up, protect that which you have created, have courage and believe in yourself. That person is coming towards you. Protect yourself, or they are protecting themselves. They are protecting their relationship, their friendship, anything over here, and they are for that reason they are coming. And yes, definitely that person is a childlike person, and they recognize that they had done something bad, and they don't want it anymore. They want to have a good relationship or good friendship with you, and that's why they are coming towards you. Maybe they are cooking something for you, and they take it with you to give you as apologies gift. Maybe this will also be the situation, but they are giving you their hurt, their apology, their love. They are telling you that I am wrong, you are right, um, and something like that. Okay, with this nine of upside down, I think you are healing in this situation when you are going to know that they are coming towards you. Maybe you are stalking them, or you are watching them. Your some friends or your relatives are with them, coming to their going to their home, and they are watching them, and you know that they are not happy without you. They want to be happy, that's why they are coming towards you. Okay, but this is a slow energy, very slow energy. They are coming towards you, but they will take their time. Okay, and yes, they are coming towards you. They're thinking that they have responsibility towards you. They have to have a stable relationship with you or friendship with you, and they are seeking the way, they're seeking this light in their way. What will they do? What will they have to do? What is good for them? If they apologize you or not, they are planning over here at this moment. Okay, eight of year, you think or they are thinking that I am stuck over here, there is no way for me, I am stuck, there's my enemies after me, or someone after me, and I have no way to go, and I am stuck over here. But this is not this is not the reason, this is not the fact. You are not stuck over here. Okay, because they four of Pentacles, because they leave their stubbornness about you. They think that you don't love them or you don't like them anymore. There is no friendship, no relationship between you both. You want to leave them, something like that. You are changing. They think that you have changed, and that's why they think that they are stuck over here. Okay, and with this Ace of Pentacles, they also think that there is no stability in this relationship, job, or something, and that's why they think that they have stuck over here. Now, with your oracle cards calling your soulmate, they are not calling you. Maybe they are so ashamed that what have they done, they don't have to do it, or they don't think that this is the good time to call you, to come back to you. They will take their time. Okay. And past life relationship, there is no past life relationship, they are going to end it, or maybe they don't think that this is their past life relationship. I want to clarify this card. Why is this card over here? Okay, because they are giving up, they don't think that they could do anything for you, or better, they could do anything better that they had done for you. They don't think that there is any progress in this situation. It's all in their mind. And with this sea we can carry guidance, but where will it lead you? I want to clarify this also. Okay. I think because they are not, they don't like you anymore, they don't love you, and they are not going to propose you or apologize to you, because in this situation there is no justice. Okay, and they think that there is no justice in this situation, you are a liar, you are a cheater, something like that. And Three of Swords, that person thinks that you have someone with you in your life, or maybe there is a third party situation in your life. They think that, or you are a wise person, do what you know is the good, and take decision with wisdom. I want to pull some more cards for you. Okay, my question is, but do they think that, why are they angry with you, why are they not talking to you? They think that you are not progressing towards them, or you are not, oh sorry, you are not leaving that third party situation, or that third party. This is not usually this is not that you definitely have a third party. Maybe you are not leaving your sister, your brother, your some friend, someone, and that's why they're thinking that you are not moving towards them. You are uh, not leaving that person, and that's why they are crying. They are crying at night because of you. They love you, they like you, and they want you in their life, but they don't want that other person. That's why they are crying. They are begging to God, to Allah, to and praying for you to come back, and they think that you are not coming towards them. Also, that you don't like them, and with this king of cups, but they have love for you, or maybe this is your father or someone. You are the father, they are the father, or that person loves you. Okay, and with this judgment card, um, okay, um, they are not happy without you. They are burning, they are burning over here, they are burning, they are doing something, they are changing their self over here, and making themselves as you like them. And my other question is that if they are coming towards you, or they are coming towards you, yes, they are coming towards you, they are running, they are running over here with this eight of wands, with this knight of wands upside down. They are running towards you. They know if they leave you, then you will go towards someone else. They think that, okay, and with that they are begging to you that they are apologizing you. They know that they had done something bad. I think that maybe for some of you, this is parent and this child's quarrel, okay, and for some of you only. And with this, you are reconciling with that person. You are get together. You are having get it together with that person, having a good time with each other. This person is coming towards you definitely. Now this is your reading for pile number 1. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation, then keep watching my videos, and you will surely get some help from there for your this situation, or for your some other situation. And with lots of love, lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. For those who choose the pile number 2 with this colored ball a keychain, your first card is 5 of water. Things not turning out the way you would hope, not seeing the positive in a situation, crying over spilled milk. Okay, that person is crying without you. They think that you are there is no progress in this relationship. There is no ending to this world, or you are not coming to them. You someone is not in love with them anymore. You are not in love with them anymore. Someone is crying over here. They are crying over some situation. I want to clarify that card. Okay, they are afraid that they are scared that you are making some decision that is going against their will, their happiness, and they think that maybe you are not leaving them, and also that you are keeping this squirrel more. Yes, definitely. I think they think that you are not leaving them. They want the divorce from you, or they want to end this relationship over here, but you are not leaving them. That's why they are crying over here. They had made their decision to leave you. Okay, there's independent experience, realistic with you. Their experience with you is not good. They want to be independent. They want to be realistic. That they are not happy with you. They are witty. They are going to tell you that I'm not happy with you. Let me go. I don't care about you. I no more love you. Okay, and objective decision making, clearing away all that no longer serves you, seeing the humor in a situation. and that person is going to leave you over here with this card, because they have no love for you. That person is before this time they are childlike. Now they are not a childlike, they think about it a lot. Now they are coming to the decision, to this decision, that they are going to leave you. They had made their mind. And with this page of water, intuitive, sensitive, artistic, friendly. Yes, this person definitely is a childlike person. They are innocent, they are their intuitions are very high, they are sensitive, highly sensitive, artistic and friendly. A new person enters your life, or relationship begins a new phase, heightened psychic abilities. Okay, that person thinks that you have no problem when they leave you. When they leave you, when they divorce you, you have no problem to have someone else in your life. You are a person, you are an attractive person, you are a person that attracts others towards yourself. Okay, that's why they think that there is no problem for you to have someone else in your life. And they are moving definitely, because they they had made their mind to leave you. That's why they think that this is okay, you will have someone else in your life. Okay. And with this emperor card upside down, they don't want to, they are not a good person at this time. They are very selfish person at this moment. With this card upside down, they are very selfish person at this moment. They don't want to give you anything, don't want to think about you, don't want to care about you. They are not a sensitive person at this time. They are witty. With this card, they are witty, and they want to do it. They had made their decision, their mind to do it. They are not coming towards you. They are thinking about divorce or to leave you. Okay, they want to be happy, to live happily. A celebration, a wedding declaration, or birth announcement, the need to have more fun. Maybe some of you are going to marry someone else, or you are going to marry the person that this person is not, this person not like that person. Okay, you are going to marry that person that they don't like. Okay, that's why they are not happy with this situation. They are not happy with your love situation, and the person that you are going to marry. And yes, definitely they are not enjoying this thing. They are not happy in this situation. Okay, with your other cards, your oracle cards. Okay, this person keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Yes, this person is different from your expectation, your thinking. You deserve love, you deserve love. Then do what you want to do. If you want to marry someone else, go and do it, because you deserve love. You are a good person. That person is blocking you. That person don't want you to be happy. Okay, lady with a boss act, ancient wisdom. Okay, do every decide with vision, with wisdom, and do everything with cleverness. Okay, and with this uh, yes, you are protecting something that you are that is you. Yes, I think you are protecting your love, your heart over here, and that's why you are leaving that person, or you are going towards some other place. And with this other card, this is autumn is my last chance. Please don't lose hope. Yes, don't lose hope. They will. I think maybe. Uh, you will be happy in your life, and that person, I think that person is not able to cut you off from their life. They want to cut you, but they are not able to. I am Kali, and from death comes rebirth. From this relationship, this person's, I don't say death, but from this person's um, um, divorce, or that person's leaving you, you have someone else in your life. That is good, and this all thing is good for you. Mouse, this person is not good for you. That person is they are having the mouse like energy. They are the cheater, they are the jealous person. They don't want you to be happy. They want themselves to be happy, but they don't care about you. That person is very bitty, very uh, what can I say, uh, harmful person. uh, yes, they don't want you to be happy. They want themselves to be happy. Okay, I want to have some more cards for you. They are doing this to you because they want to be free. They want the freedom. They want to leave you. They think that they are stuck with you, and they want to be free now. And with this page of pentacles, they have no love for you in their mind, in their life, in their heart. They have no desire for you. They are a childlike person, and they don't want you. And for this, you are crying over here because of this, because they had left you, and now you know that they are the cheaters. They are the betrayers, and that's why you are um, crying over here, because you know the truth about them. So, and this is all I got for you for today. I hope you please like, share, subscribe. Please, if you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then please keep watching my videos. You can surely get some help from there, and with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I am going to open my pile number 3. Those who choose the pile number 3 with this silver motorcycle keychain, your first card is the star card. Happy time. Make positive, optimistic, long-term plans on the right path. They are missing you. They are coming towards you, and I think with this card, your wishes coming true, and you are going to have success, whatever you want. With this, that person is coming towards you. That person is taking the leap of faith. They are taking this risk to come towards you. Your wishes are coming true. And with the one card, 1 and 7 number, 1 plus 7 is equal to 8, and they are determined to have you in their life. That's why they are taking this risk to come towards you. I think maybe they don't know you, or maybe they know that there is some kind of problem for them in this situation, in this decision of theirs, but they are coming towards you. It's a good thing, because they love you, they like you, they want to give you happiness. That's why this person is coming towards you. They have a lot of strength. They have a lot of strength in this situation. Great inner strength, release harsh judgments, forgiveness and compassion. Yes, they are forgiving you because they are a great person. This is a Leo card. This is Aries card. I think this person is fire person, and 11 definitely that person is going to complete this circle over here, and they are courageful at this moment to come towards you. They have a courage to come towards you. They are very powerful person, very brave person. Okay, and this person, I think this person is a very brave person, very, I think, clever also. And when they come to you, uh, you are like a servant to them. Not really, but you are obeying all they say. They are ruling over your head, your heart. Okay, and with this King of Wands upside down. Okay, and with these two cards are Leo cards, and I think at first this person don't like you, or at this moment they think that you are not a true person, or not you are not attracted towards that person. I think so. They are gathering their courage over here to come towards you, but I think this card is upside, and they are a brave person, and they are coming towards you. They are they know that they will be happy with you. They know it. I think that person make a decision, they think about it, and again and again, and then they thought that this is good to for them to have you in their life. Yeah. And they think that they will be successful in your with you, happy with you, you love them, or they know that they have love for you in their heart. And also Seven of Fire, defend your beliefs and decisions, stand your ground, choose your battles wisely. Seven of Fire. This person is protecting, defend your beliefs and decisions, stand your ground, choose your battles wise. They are fighting for their rights. They think that you are their right, and they are fighting for their rights, and they are defending their love, their passion towards you. And with this card upside down, Eight of Wands, but this person is not coming towards you soon. They are taking their time. This situation leads to delay. They are not coming soon. Okay, and Five of Air, because at this moment they are not ready for you. They think they are not ready for you. They are preparing themselves with this Strength card. They are changing themselves as you like them. They think they know which kind of person, which kind of clothes, fashion you like. They are changing themselves for you. They are preparing themselves to you, for you. Yes, they are at this moment. They are not coming towards you. Eight of Swords. Now at this moment they are, because they, oh, I know now. I think that they are stuck with someone else over here. Maybe this is a money problem, maybe some other problem. Their parents are not agree, or something like that. They have some problem in their life, and Eight of Swords. But they are trying to be free. They are trying to be free from these obstacles. Okay. Okay. Now with this Emperor card, yes, they had made their decision, and they are struggling to come toward you with this four number. They had made their plan, and now they are doing something, struggling or something to have you in their life. Organization and logic, structure and discipline, leadership. Yes, they are maintaining their leadership. They are making their parents' minds or someone else's minds to have you in their life, or to come back to your friendship or something like that. Okay, the High Priestess. They are taking this time because they are not as wise, as clever at this moment. They want to be a clever person, a wise person to have you in their life. They are preparing themselves. They are sharpening their mind for you, to have you, and making the plans at this moment. They are not a wise person at that moment. I think they, at this moment, they uh, think that this is not good for them, and they are because of this situation. This situation is because that they have they have their mind over something, or they are not a wise person at this moment. Okay, but this situation leads to wedding. Congratulate, this situation leads to wedding. You both are going to meet each other, be with each other, living each other. This situation was marriage. Look at that lady's face. She is looking at the man. I think this she is the one. She is the one who is doing all things over here. Okay, with this other card, new love. A new person has started your romantic feelings. This person is going to start your romantic feelings. This person, um, um, or maybe this is for them. You had started their feelings. You made them to change themselves. Okay, there is a children issues, but there is no children issues. This card is upside down. Maybe at first there is some children issues over here, but now there is no children issues. And with this reconciliation, someone from your past is returning to your life. This person is from your past. Definitely they know you, they like you, they love you, and they are coming towards you. uh, uh, Grumpy red fairy, be yourself. Be your true self. Don't change yourself for others. uh, be as you are. Butterfly person. Maybe this person is butterfly person, or you are the butterfly person. Someone is a butterfly person. That person have a lot of they loves money. They attract to money, and they are a bloodsucker type person. They use others for their happiness, for their benefits, and that person have these persons have a lot of girlfriends and boyfriends in their life, and they are very attracted. That's why others attracted to them. I think maybe you are that person, or they are that person. She is greeting you with the open hands. She is welcoming you. Okay. I think one of you is definitely an Aries or with a fire sign, and that person is attracted towards you at this moment. That person is going to give you all that they have in their life, their happiness, their money, their love, their everything, their desires. They are going to give it to you. But that person is changing every now and then. This is the condition. This is the bad thing in this situation, that this person is changing every now and then. Once they start something, then the other moment they ending it up. Little bit crazy person. They also they self don't know what to do. But this is all in between them. At one moment they think that you are the greatest person for them, and the other moment they think that there is some problem, or maybe they don't have to come towards you, they have to go towards someone else, because they are not wise person. Where is that card? Yes, there is this high priestess wisdom card is upside down, that because they are not wise at this moment, but they are attracted towards you, they are coming towards you, they love you, they like you something. So don't be afraid. uh, uh, think by yourself what you want to do. They are coming, but they are taking their time because they are still they are not able to make the decision. They are changing every now and then. They are ending it and starting something new. They are changing their self over here for you. Okay, I want to clarify this. Okay, with this three of pentacles, that person is not wise. They are not searching about you. They have no help to come towards. Okay, this person is not searching about this situation. What they have to do, they are uh, um, stuck over here. They are changing something. They have to complete some circle over here, and okay, they have to complete some circle over here. Then they will able to come towards you. Maybe this is for their own good. They are going to as I say that they are going to make themselves more good for you, or as you like them. Okay, and but this card, I think they have no wisdom or no help with them to come towards you. And Seven of Pentacles, they had done nothing over here for you at this moment. They are stuck and they are not doing something over here. And this person at this moment, this person is not wanting the relationship with you. They don't want it. But okay, there is no justice in this situation right at this moment. No marriage, but they are also not they are not alone at this moment. They are not wise also. Maybe this person is with someone else and they want to break this all circle, this relationship with them, and they are not happy with that person also, and they are trying to come towards you. Queen of Pentacles, they are not wanting to take care of you or to make you happy. They need a lot of strength to do it, to change their self. Maybe they don't want any responsibility if this is not a third party situation, that this is the situation that person don't want any responsibility at this moment in their life. They want to be independent, they want to be happy, free person. Yes, they need a strength to do it. They have no strength at this moment. They are changing their self, but at this moment they have no strength in them. They have to be determined to come towards you. They have to in this situation, if you love them, they also have to love you. And and there is a love for you both. I think you both are lovers, but what is the problem, that this person is not ready at this moment yet. This person, I think this is a little bit lazy person. They don't want to do anything. They want to think things happen its way. This could also be the situation. Six of Swords, but this person is coming out of their bad time. They are doing here something, okay, to come towards you. They are missing you. They are missing you. They are manifesting you. They are crying without you. Every time they are alone and they think about you. You are always in their mind. They are, whenever they are rather if they are in some party, in some gathering, they are not in that party. They are with you. In mind, they are with you. People look that they are with them, but they are not with them. They are with you. that person is defending their relationship, their thoughts, their love for you, and now that person is willing to come towards you, willing to win you, and to have a relationship with you. But there is something, maybe this person having some codependency or some addiction, and or maybe they are really chained to someone. Maybe this is a situation for some of you that that person is married to someone else and they don't like that person, they want to come to you because there is a lover's card. They love you, they think that they are bound to you, they are bonding towards you, and because of this devil person, they are not coming towards you, or maybe these are their thoughts. They have some addiction over here, and they have a lot of desire, lot of love, lot of things that they are hiding from everyone. They don't tell these things to others because they know if they are going, if they tell others, they will make their jokes, they make the fun of their thinking, their thoughts, their desires. They are not telling them, they are crying at the nights, in nights they are crying for you, they are praying for you, they want you back. And with this fool card, they are going to take the leap of faith towards you. They are now uh, they are able to do it. They are thinking, they thought they had made the decision to come towards you, to take the leap of faith. They know that there is some problem in this situation, the snake, some enemy, something, or maybe they will fall into the this fall from this cliff. But they want you, they are happy to, they are thinking about you, and they are very happy to think about you, that they are coming towards you. I think that person is as stubborn that if they are going, if there is a death between you both, they can go through it. They love you that much that if there is a death between you both, they will pass that death bridge and come towards you. And you too, definitely you too, this relationship is very happy, very loving, very caring, happy home life. And this is going to happen now, this is going to happen soon. When they decide to come towards you, when they change their self, they know that they are ready for you, then this will happen very soon. I think all of that had happened in the past. Now they are ready, they are leaving someone, some person over here to come towards you because they are not happy with them. They are thinking about you, they are in love with you, they want to come towards you, and this is very fast energy, they are running towards you. And now the universe is going to change something over here. The universe is watching them crying for you, they are burning without you, their soul is not happy, not in peace without you, and the universe is changing something over here. They are going to give them their freedom and their change, and that person is coming towards you, that person is coming to tell you, to propose you, and definitely this person having a lot of love in them. This is all for I have for you, my pile number 3. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation or some other situation, then go, you can watch my videos, and you surely get some help from there. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. We will see each other again.